I'm Jay Dizio from Drone-Works. Today we're going to take a look at IncidentShare by Incident. Let's go. IncidentShare is an information recording and incident sharing tool based on real-time events. IncidentShare is a unique tool which helps organizations share information from incidents. The first step is to go to the IncidentShare GO site and sign up for an account. You have to select a name for your domain for the live streaming, and then select a username and password for your viewer account. This is also the account you'll be using in the Incident Go app on a smartphone. When you go to checkout, you're going to see the normal amount, but you also see the discount for 100% for the 30-day free trial. You will have to enter credit card information to complete the checkout, but you won't be charged until after the 30-day free trial. Once your account's set up, you can go into the viewer at the address shown on your screen. Enter in your username and password. Click on Settings. You can now set up a guest user account to allow others access to the viewer. A valid email address is not required. The IncidentShare GO app is available from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with your domain name, username, and password. The mobile app will either let you broadcast or watch live feeds. Here's a demonstration of a live feed from the mobile app. Right now I'm live streaming using the Incident Go app by Incident on an iPhone XS Max, streaming Wi-Fi to the iMac. You can notice that there's a delay in the video. The audio would also be delayed, but it is acceptable, and the quality is pretty good. RTMP is a supported broadcast platform for live broadcast in the DJI Go apps. Go into DJI Go settings. Select Live Broadcast Platform. Select RTMP Custom. Enter the full domain name and additional information required for the live broadcast. You're now ready to go live. Once you click Start, the connection will be established with the remote broadcast server. It'll take several seconds for this to occur. This is the desktop screen waiting for a live broadcast. The Chrome browser is recommended. When the pilot is ready to begin the broadcast, open the DJI Go settings. Select Live Broadcast Platform, select RTMP Custom, confirm the proper information, start the broadcast. The broadcast icon will be white until a connection is made. Once the broadcast connection is made, the icon will turn blue and the counter will start. With a delay of just a couple of seconds, the broadcast will start on the desktop. Once the broadcast starts, you can maximize to full screen. This is a side-by-side demonstration showing what the pilot sees on his live feed and what the remote broadcast viewer sees. While this demonstration does not show the time delay to the remote broadcast viewer, testing has shown a 4 to 5 second delay in most cases, although delays of up to 15 seconds have occurred. The quality of the transmission is very good with minimal disruptions. Let's watch the video comparison. To end the broadcast, press the blue icon, then click Finish Live Stream. Once a broadcast is ended, the desktop viewer returns to a waiting state until the next broadcast. You have access to your recordings for playback through the desktop browser by clicking on Latest Recordings. This will open a timeline of your videos. Select the video you want to view from the timeline and it will begin playback. You can maximize the video full screen. Something you need to be aware of. Whoever has access to the viewer has access to all your videos residing on the video server. While this might be fine for some agencies, other agencies may have an issue with unauthorized personnel having access to potentially sensitive videos. A check of the frequently asked questions section that says only the latest video is stored and it can be downloaded. I also could not find an option to download a video. I sent an email to IncidentShare GO support and I received a fast response. The IncidentShare GO account has 2 gigabits available. When the limit's reached, older videos will be deleted automatically. What appeared to be one large video file with one playback timeline, each video is actually a separate file. There is currently no download function available unless you upgrade to a more expensive solution. We also found 2 issues with the DJI Crystal Sky. The Android-based Crystal Sky spell checker attempts to correct the single word incident share into 2 separate words. If you don't notice it when it happens, the spell checker will place a space in between the 2 words. Depending on your own subdomain name, it may split the 2 words on separate lines as shown here, making the space less obvious and more difficult to troubleshoot. When highlighted, it gives a list of possible choices. I opted for placing the cursor on the letter S of share and pressing the backspace to remove the space. The second issue with the Crystal Sky is retaining the long RTMP address in the settings. The iOS version of DJI GO 4 saves the RTMP address information. The Crystal Sky version does not. The complete RTMP address has to be entered in again. Although this is a Crystal Sky Android issue, I included it in my email to IncidentShare GO support. Here's their response. They are aware of the issue and have brought it to the attention of DJI. They're also looking at another possible solution.